The cat who loved to dance. Once upon a time, there was a curious little cat named Pounce. Pounce loved to dance and was always looking for new ways to express himself. One day, Pounce was out exploring the woods near his home when he stumbled upon a mysterious cave. He was curious, so he decided to explore it. As he ventured deeper into the cave, he heard a strange and beautiful music. He followed the music until he came to a clearing. In the center of the clearing was a magical fountain. The fountain was surrounded by a group of animals, all dancing to the music. Pounce was mesmerized by the sight and he couldn't help but join in. The animals welcomed Pounce and taught him all the steps to their dance. Pounce was so happy to be part of the group and he loved the music and the dancing. The animals told Pounce that the fountain was magical and that it could take him to a world of music and dance. Pounce was so excited and he couldn't wait to explore this new world. The animals showed Pounce how to use the fountain, and soon he was whisked away to a magical world of music and dance. Everywhere he looked, there were animals dancing and singing. Pounce was in awe of the beauty of this world, and he couldn't believe his luck. Pounce spent many happy days exploring this world and learning new dances. He even made some new friends along the way. Eventually, Pounce had to return home, but he never forgot the magical world of music and dance he had discovered. He often thought back to his adventures and smiled. The end. I hope you've enjoyed the story. I definitely enjoyed sharing it with you. Now let's close our eyes and calm our minds and drift off to dreamland. Sweet dreams and good night.